Hey bafethu kukongavela amahememe apha ingathi kune warrant of arrest ishuwilwe for uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wethu. Hayi ke iIDEC ibuyile nento ethi iyazidismissa into ezifana nezo rumors ezifana nezo ayikho iwarrant of arrest that has been issued for uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Siyayithemba yini iIDEC? Ayasiyithembi bafethu. Ningalibalanga benze net kanjalo ku National Commission ufani Masemula sasike saweva amahimimi oba kune warrant of arrest that has been issued for National Commissioner ufani Masemula. Hayi bajika bathi hayi ayikho lonto leyo. Uphi ngoku National Commissioner ufani Masemula? Bafethu bangalinge balokothe, bangalinge nje bayicinge into efana naleyo ngoGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Mayibe banyanisile xa besithi hayi ngamahememi nje lawo, because inkomo iyawuzala umuntu kumhlabe yawurealize into yoba ugovernment wethu nje wonke amakhanda wabo zonke inhloko zabo combined they are nothing compared to General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Bangalinge badlale ngathi kanjalo bafethu. I mean that is one time whereby singaba ungovernable manyanyani. So sicela nje kuyo yonke into bazayicinga kuwo wonke amaqhinga ababhizi abawaphekayo, amaqhinga ababhizi ngawo abawaplana abathi zikhona izinto abayemele bazazi nabo into bayabona leya. That is a no-go area. Akudlalelwa pha, alifakwa libuya nedaka. Bafethu, la nto sayithetha ngokuya. Sisayithetha nangoku into yoba we are General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is us. Wathinta uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uthinte thina ama-South Africans, because majority of them they have betrayed South Africans. Majority of them they have failed South Africans. The one man that we surely imajority ama-South Africa ababelieve kuye, abamthemba ngempilo zabo, kuGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Abazuyidlala ke lo game yana yabo abazathi bafuna ukuyidlala ngento efana nale. Siyabacela bafethu, kungako ndicula le ngoma le uba impilo kaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi yona aseseyo impilo yakhe ncama, sokuyimpilo eseyikhungezwe eseyigadwe zizinyanya. Bangayenzi lonto le.